ages 4 to 6. Let's bring out our first dancers, first group of dancers out here. So we have dancer number 12, number 2, number 8, number 7, and in the middle we have number 9. This is elimination rounds, ladies and gentlemen. Judges will be picking a dancer out of each big group. So this is just a small representation of the group that's competing. That's ages 4 through, John, what ages?
4 to 6, beginner level. Judges ready. Drummers.
Beginner 4 through 6.
Okay, Maruru ladies, thank you very much. Okay, follow Auntie. All right, put your hands together for our next group of Tamaris. Beginner level, ages 4 to 6.
On the dance floor right now, we have dancer number 3, number 4, number 1, number 5, and my one over here. Okay.
Judges ready? Drummers.
All right. All right, dancers, please make sure your numbers are visible to the judges. Just so they can choose.
All right. Okay, thank you, ladies. Thank you. Over here, ladies. For the beginner level, ages 4 to 6, Tamari.
Dancer number 6, dancer number 10, and dancer number 11. We're going to ask all dancers to please make sure that you stay behind that black line so that the judges can see all of you and your numbers as well. So please make sure you stay behind the black line.
Okay, judges ready? Okay, ladies, make sure the judges can see your numbers. Make sure the judges sees your number. Judges are good? Okay, Maruru, ladies, thank you very much. Okay, we're going to be moving.